Shik, 1 minute, I'll come to your point. Okay, 1 minute. Let me finish this and then I'll come to your point. Is that clear? 45 minus 15 is giving you 30. Now 30 marks got extra, which means that this 30 would have got divided amongst how many students? Overall, we are calculating. So this 30, can you listen to me now? Mohammed Nahidul. I repeat, extra would have got divided amongst 30 students. To calculate average, where is my pen? Sometimes my pen also lost. And then I literally have to see. I don't know where I'm writing. Fine. So 30 divided by 30. Why we are dividing it by 30? Because why we are dividing it by 30? Because there are 30 students, right? So 30 divided by 30, 30 marks got divided by 30 students. It means that everybody got one extra. So this one is the mistake done by them. So what should be the average? 45 minus 1. The answer. Is that clear now? Jafir, sorry. Oh, thank you, Sushmita. And good luck. And who was one more? Joey, did you understand? Is that clear now? Okay. All right. Okay. So awesome then. To tell you is that whenever you are solving averages question, use logic. All right. We will be seeing more questions, but I will suggest that take tests honestly. Like even if you're not getting the concept, at least attempt the question, because many times you will attempt with certain other method and we will solve with some other method. Many times if one is extra, then should be added. No, I was coming to that point where that one every 5 seconds somebody unmute. Okay, so here is the question. If I change it to, if later they found that one student got 45 less and one other student got 15 extra. So now what will happen? Minus 45 plus 15. It means that it has to be minus 30. Minus 30 by 30. It means that they haven't added this one. Bring your proof. Yes, you can take test on step up learning. All right. In that case, it would be, you need to add plus 1 to this. 45 plus 1. 45 plus 1. 46 will be your answer in that case, because what mistake teacher had made, teacher forgot to add 45 and added 50 extra. So basically teacher did not add this 30. So if teacher did not add this 30, no, Jafir, we are using opposite signature. You see, here we are getting plus 1. So we are saying that she had added 1 extra. That's why we are subtracting 1. We are getting saying that she had not added 1. So if teacher did not add this 30, are you getting my point, Jafir?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, try to understand the logic instead of the signs, like plus, minus. Always and always prefer logic, people. That will be very, very helpful every time. Okay? Yes, that's the answer. So I hope you got it. This one. Somebody asked me one question, but please don't send question like this. If you have any doubt, post it in the group. Let others solve. If others will not solve, I will solve. But this time I'll do it. Find the lowest number which is exactly divisible by 18 and 24. This is nothing but LCM you need to calculate. The question he asked, find the lowest number which is divisible by 18 and 24. So for your answer, whoever asked this question, you just have to calculate HCF of 18 and 24. So HCF of 18 and 24 will be 6. So 6 will be the answer. But they're saying lowest number. So lowest number could be 2 also, could be 1 also in that case. I think the question is incorrect or something is wrong with that. I hope people, you understood few things, whatever we discussed. Yes, no? Can you reply? Yes? Right, Mercy? Was it useful for
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
All right. Mercy has been attending session, so that's why I was asking her.
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right. So now, tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow, attend verbal class. Not clear. Elias, what is not clear? What if you get one less? One less. We just have to subtract one. That's it. Okay. So who is that? Elias, try it. If you don't understand, ask me in the next session. Fine. So one thing people telling you tomorrow, attend verbal. Abdul, it was written with do's and don'ts, for which I had given you time also. So in on screen use, but not any other device, and don't use that also. You may get caught. All right. So tomorrow there is a verbal session. This is third time I'm speaking the same thing. Okay. So the attend verbal class, ask limited question, and don't irritate anybody. Please be on mute. Respect each and everyone. And on Friday, take test 30 under 30. Tomorrow will be verbal class. I will be meeting you on Saturday now. Saturday, we will be solving the questions first. And in case if we get time, we will be discussing one concept, because most of the time, while solving through the questions only, you will be understanding the concepts also. All right. But meanwhile, I'll tell you, take your time and start solving, like whatever you can do it from your end. Though you have only 2 hours class, but rest of the day is free. So in that time, try to take something, like try to do something extra. All right. So it was basic maths, Brinda. So Himanshu, number is like 3. Okay. Then the question will be about what? Ehab, I did not understand your question for which you are talking. All right. So fine, people. Then for average marks, it's the same thing. If it is given decimal, consider it as entire number. If it is given 45.2, or else let's say where we got 30 by when we got 30 extra, all right, where we have got 30 extra. So if you are getting, instead of 30, if you got 20 extra and there are 30 students, so it is what, 20 by 30 is 2 by 3 is 0.6. So in that case, you need to subtract 0.6. Same process. You don't have to confuse with that. Right? Process will remain same, Himanshu. I hope you got it. Right? It's just like you will be playing with decimals. Have I answered?